Hey folks, today I wanted to pick a Yale lock for you, but then bam, suddenly life happened, and you maybe remember the Eyecase, which I picked in the previous video for you. It's just a luggage thing for motorcycles. And what happened is that I broke off my key. Ta-da! So the key actually still works because the broken part of the key is inside there. And what I want to do in this video is extracting the remaining key bit and try and find something out of which we can make a new key. So hold on. Okay, now before I start, let's have a look at the remaining part of the key. And you can see that the key blank is very pericentric, but this is just for show, because this is a wafer lock, and as far as I have seen when I have a peek inside the lock is that just the whole area is cut, so this pericentric thing doesn't have any purpose at all, which is good because this will make finding something which we can use for key blank easier. And maybe I can use a pick to get in there, and which may help us getting this thing out of there. So let's give it a shot. Hopefully you guys can see something. Hopefully I can see something. By the way, I have this harpoon thing here, but it's completely useless, and I don't have the intention to remodel it right now. If I can just use a pick, something like that. Okay. Something happened. I've got a needle here, which I try and use to have something like a grip. Okay, now the key has come out a little bit further. Here it is, you can already see it. So can probably remove this. Yep. And if I can find it, I'm looking for my pair of pliers. Maybe we can just grab this piece. Yep, here it is. This is our bastard, and try and find something out of which we can make a new key. So hold on. Okay, just a small intermezzo. I have glued the Canada key. It will not work this way or stable, but I will use this to scan it with a flatbed scanner. And to do so I have to cut away the plastic, because otherwise this is too high and will lead to bad scan results, which is not good. My plan is to just print the scan and then glue it on the material for the key blank. So yeah, let's see if this will work for us. Okay, second small intermezzo. I've just scanned and printed the key out. And if you have a look at this, the scale fits perfectly. So we will hopefully get a working key out of this. Hopefully. Well, let's have a look. I will cut out this black lining here, which I did on my PC, and I think I have found something out of which we can make a key, namely this old pig. It was something like this from a clone pig set, but the handle broke off, so I just removed the handle some time ago because I wanted to make a new one, but I don't really need this pig. So what I will do is cut this piece off here, and then I will make the key. This part is not so important that it has the perfect width, because it's just there to turn the core, and then we will try and file our key out of this. So hold on. Okay, now I have glued the printout of our key onto this blanket, and now we'll use just some files to try and file away what's not needed. So here we go. Phew, okay, now here we've got the final key. Let's see if it works. And we will probably have to push it up this way, because the original key was wider. But it works. And quite honestly, it does not work very smoothly, but at least it works, which is okay for me, because I just want to be able to operate my luggage system again. Not going to win a prize or something like that. The next step I will probably do is just wrap this thing with some plastic. Well, I think I will do this right now, and I will show the results. Yep. So here it is, the key in its final form. Let's have a look and see if it still works. Yes, it still works. Just don't have to rotate this thing. Let's just lock it up. Okay. I didn't cut off this rake thing here on purpose, because I thought it would look kind of interesting and cute. Don't know, it will probably rip my pocket into pieces, but I will find out. The white plastic here I used is something called polymorph, which is a very interesting material. You basically put it into 60 degrees Celsius hot water, water which has 6 degrees Celsius, and then it will become translucent, and you can basically just mold it into any shape you want, and when it cools off it becomes white again. And I also use this for my pick handles, because I really like ergonomic shapes. I don't like standard pick handles. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Q-Rex, I'm happy again. Guess that's it. See you around. Keep it legal. Have fun.